Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region, and I didn't know I was gardening today, but apparently I am, or at least that's what my mailman says. It says right here, yep, the approach to your box should be kept clear of snow, vehicles, and other obstacles. Yeah, let me show you what they're talking about. Yeah, they're talking about this right here. So, I gotta take care of this. What is this? Let me show you. This right here is some red flowering honeysuckle. My mama gave me a twig once. I put it in a pot. Somewhere down here there's a pot. And I know it's grown out of the pot because I tried to move the pot once and it wouldn't move. And that's the thing about Florida. Vines love Florida. They love it too much. Muscadine, dewberries, honeysuckle, passion flower, jasmine, wisteria. Most of these I have experienced in my own yard, and they've turned into monsters. I had to remove as much of them as I could, and most of them are still in my yard. I cannot eradicate them completely. I have tried. So if you live in Florida, think twice before you plant that vine and plant, because you might just be surprised what it's going to do. All right, let me go ahead and take care of this so I don't get another little nasty gram in my mailbox. I could put any of these in some dirt. I don't even need rooting hormone, and they would probably take. I am not doing that. Into the compost, maybe. I'm worried, man. I put too much stuff in that compost, some soil's gonna be there, they're gonna take off. I wanna think about this one. Hey, Sandy. You wouldn't want some honeysuckle trimmings to root, would you?
What is it?
It's this honeysuckle. I gotta prune it back because the mailman left me a note.
Does it smell good?
I wouldn't say that it smells great, but the pollinators love it. And it roots really easy. I would keep it in a pot.
Yeah, I'll take
You'll take some? Awesome.
some. Thank you.
Sure thing. Take care.
You too.
this looks a lot better. And now I won't have a notice from the mailman. And should be free and clear now. All that's left to do is some cleanup. Oh, y'all, I gotta show you what's going on with my seeds. Holy smokes. I am beyond impressed. Now I have to research what to do with seedlings, but let me go ahead and show you that. All right, here it is, my friends. This is the moment of truth. So what did I do? I bought one of those little jiffy things and did the little seeds on that. I bought off Amazon a heat mat, so that is down here. I bought a grow bulb, which is up above, and I started off with this one being outside, but it was kind of sunny some days, and I was nervous about them getting fried. Even in this weak spring sun, it could still happen. And then here's the Amazon little 6-pack that I bought that have the little lights built into them, and I have to say I'm impressed. These are even little vent holes in them, and I think they were like 25 bucks for like 6 of them. But I did buy the heat mat too, which they're mostly sharing, and I have to say, I know you can probably see this through the plastic, but it's cray-cray in there right now, my friends. Oh my gosh, the cosmos. I think there were 3 days and they had sprouted. No action yet on the columbines or on the purple coneflower. But my friends, oh my word. Oh my word, we got daisies, my friends. English daisies. Oh, this is the little double ones too. I got off Amazon. They're sprouting. And then the ones I picked up at Walmart. Oh, that's more cosmos. Sorry. Go back in there, my friends. These are the ones I got from Walmart, and they're sprouting. So exciting. Oh my gosh. And then I have to show you underneath here too. Same thing. Got lots of green going on in here. Wow, that is impressive. I have to say, seeds might be my thing now. It's kind of like opening up on Christmas Day some presents. It is really exciting. All right, we're gonna call that a day, and I'm gonna do some planting in the next video because I got stuff that gotta go in the ground, let me tell you. Hey y'all, I got a little bit of bonus content for you, and that's because it's the next day and I can't really do any gardening. As we like to say in our house, the sea is angry today, and that's because we have weather moving through our neighborhood. It's like raining right now, I can see. But my bonus content for you today is an unboxing video. Woohoo! So I actually ordered this last fall, and it's from the Growers Exchange. So I don't know if you guys have ever used this company or not. This is my first time using them as an online retailer for plants. And I know that they're gonna be just probably maybe just a little bit bigger than starter plants, but I've ordered some heliotrope because it is very hard to come by. And I figure since I live so close to the ocean and I can hear it literally when I walk out my door, because it really is angry, I thought I'd give it a try. And I've read online that this is a staple in any Victorian cottage garden. So I wanted to give it a try here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They're actually a little bigger than I thought they were gonna be. All right, so let's see. 4 heliotropes, and let's see here. Looks like we have a thank you from them. That's very nice. Oh, great. That's wonderful. And then they're saying what you need to do in case there's damage. All right, so look at this. Oh, wow. They look fabulous. Oh my gosh, very well packed. 0 damage to the leaves. That is outstanding. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these babies liberated. Wow, look at that. I understand that you can buy seeds of these, but the actual germination rate is super low. And you know, I'm not an expert in seeds yet, working on that. But yeah, this looks amazing. Look at all the little leaves, nice big healthy ones. That looks fabulous. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. There we go. This one looks fabulous too. Soil is a little dry, but I'm not worried about that because, wow, they just look outstanding. I mean, I think there's this one little tiny damaged leaf. I cannot complain. I'm telling you, these look great. And they're all very consistent in their size. Oh gosh, guys. You know, I just saw something, I gotta point it out to you. Something we all love to see when we order stuff. Roots. I got roots coming out of here. It is definitely wanting to be transplanted into something a little bit bigger. And I might baby these a little bit before I put them in my garden beds. Because I have a lot of planting to do. And I'm just not quite sure where I'm gonna put everything. Wow, I think I saved the best one for last. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, this one has a double stalk in it. So there's probably 2 plants down in here. But I'm not dividing these up. Wow, those look beautiful. I am very pleased with them. All right, they're beautiful. I am super happy. I can't wait to see these have some beautiful blossoms this year. Keeping my fingers crossed on that. Inside of each one, I just noticed that they had a Growers Exchange tag in there. It says these grow to about 18 inches high. They need about 12 inches spacing between plants. Keep soil evenly moist. Bloom color violet blue. And the bloom time is going to be the summer. So, perfect. It says zone 10 to 11. I know I'm actually a zone 9B, but You know, I could always bring these in during the winter, like put them in a pot and put them in my garage. Find a good spot for them, because most of my things that are zone 10 and 11, they, if I find a really nice protected spot, they will maybe die down to the ground, but then come back the next year. So I'm hoping that these are going to be perennials for me in my area. So I hope you're able to go out in your world and make something beautiful. And until the next one, bye y'all.